Feeling the chill? Does your heat pump need a professional touch to perform seamlessly? Our team of skilled professionals is here to give your heating system the expert touch it needs to perform seamlessly. Connect with us today to get a free quote and ensure your heat pump is ready to tackle the winter chill. Don't let the cold weather catch you off guard. Let us keep you warm and cozy. Contact us at 443-803-9070. Give us a call now. It's all about professionalism with me. They took the time to explain my issues and what my options were instead of just bypassing my issues and trying to just sell me a service. I would recommend this company to anyone. Raheem S. Don't freeze, act now. Call us at 443-803-9070 or visit our website today.